Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Meghalaya. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office. Then the applicant must obtain the application form from the office and has to fill it up with all the necessary information. The applicant must carry both photocopy and original of the document that is mentioned under the required document section of this page. Document needed for this procedure is Aadhaar card. The applicant must attach the photocopy of Aadhaar card along with the application form and submit it at the office. There is no fee for this procedure. Once the process is done, the applicant will receive an SMS regarding the process completion. This entire process will be completed within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the official website of the mutual fund office. They have to find the email address by clicking on the contact us option on the page. They have to send an email requesting the concerned officer along with the mutual fund number and Aadhaar number regarding the linking of Aadhaar card to the respective mutual fund. The applicant must attach scanned visual copy of their Aadhaar card along with email and then click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, concerned authority will check the submitted application and the document set. If all are in place, the application will be accepted. The process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying through SMS, the applicant must type a message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN space Aadhaar number space Y. Then send the SMS to +91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number and then the application status and process completion will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for this procedure. This entire process can be completed within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.